day, and this afternoon we want to look at a question from JAMB past question physics, and this question is from relative density, that's under equilibrium of bodies in fluid. So let's look at the question together. A relative density bottle has a mass of 19 grams when empty. That's the mass of empty relative density bottle. That's 19 grams. When it is completely filled with water, its mass is 66 grams. That is, this 66 grams is the mass of water and the empty relative density bottle. So if we want to know the mass of water itself, the mass of water will be mass of water plus the relative density bottle, which is 66, minus mass of empty relative density bottle, which is 19. And if we subtract 66 minus 19, we are going to have 47 grams. Let's continue with the question. What will be its mass if completely filled with alcohol of relative density 0.8? Relative density of alcohol is 0.8. We are now to find the mass of the relative density bottle when it is filled with alcohol. So we have to first find the mass of alcohol first. After getting the mass of alcohol, then we are going to add it to the mass of empty density bottle, which will give us the mass of the density bottle when it is filled with alcohol. Now, to determine that, relative density is mass of alcohol over mass of equal volume of water. Don't forget, our relative density is 0.8. Mass of alcohol we want to find first. Mass of equal volume of water, that's 47. Now, if we want to get our mass of alcohol, we cross multiply. If we cross multiply, that would be 0.8 times 47. So if I multiply 0.8 by 47, 0.8 times 47, I have 37.6 grams. That's the mass of alcohol. But the question says we should find the mass of the density bottle when it is filled with alcohol. Don't forget, this 37.6 grams is just the mass of alcohol. We need the mass of alcohol plus the empty density bottle. To get that, it will now be mass of alcohol plus the mass of the empty bottle, or the empty relative density bottle. Because the question says, what will be its mass if completely filled with alcohol? That is the mass of the density bottle, or the relative density bottle, when it is filled with alcohol. So that will be mass of alcohol plus mass of the empty bottle, which will now be 37.6 plus 19. So if we add those 37.6 plus 19, we are going to have 56.6 grams, which makes the correct option to be D. Thank you.